If you're looking around online for something about Dr. Daniel Amen and a memory loss reversal ritual, or something having to do with Dr. Daniel Amen and reversing Alzheimer's and dementia, I have information I want to tell you. This is something that has a lot of scam tactics surrounding it. It is a scam marketing strategy, and I'll show you what I mean right here. Check out this video that I found. This is part of a scam funnel that leads to a product. Dr. Daniel Amen has not endorsed any sort of, product or any ritual or method or recipe or anything having to do with reversing Alzheimer's and dementia. This is people, maybe in Brazil, using his image and likeness with deepfake AI technology to make it seem like he did, and he never did. So they're manipulating his lip movement in interview videos from the past and his audio to make it seem like he's talking about this, along with Dr. Sanjay Gupta and CNN. It's not good, but I'm here to help expose it, to keep you far away from ordering these products thinking they're going to have miracle properties, and that Dr. Daniel Amen had something to do with them. He does not. Let's hit play.
This is CNN breaking news.
This is all fake.
A potential breakthrough this morning for millions of Americans affected by Alzheimer's. A new treatment with sweet antibodies for Alzheimer's and dementia can slow and reverse the progression of cognitive decline by 98.9%. Here to explain this major development is CNN chief medical correspondent and author of Keep Sharp, Build a Better Brain at Any Age, Dr. Sanjay Gupta. Sanjay, this is so important to talk about because past medications have improved cognition, perhaps, but not that much. This is a big number.
Since these data have been confirmed, the pharmaceutical companies themselves are trying to block this revolutionary advance because this could be a major breakthrough in the world of Alzheimer's because, as you said, there hasn't been a significant treatment that has shown this degree of improvement in patients for a long time, if ever. So let me explain better. Exactly, Brianna. Unlike medications such as Aricept.
Why would he say exactly, Brianna, after that much time?
Cite side effects like
this is a deep fake with AI-generated audio.
Even the risk of cerebral hemorrhage. This formula is 100% natural and gentle on your body, in addition to being free of known contraindications.
And they're going to mention Dr. Daniel Amen here in just a minute.
Or genetics.
And I'll talk more about that.
The villain behind Alzheimer's may be hidden in your daily life without you even realizing it. It's an invisible killer toxin present even in light foods and tap water. It attacks acetylcholine, an essential neurotransmitter, like the Wi-Fi of your mind. Without it, memories simply disconnect. Over time, this toxin behaves like a silent serial killer. It kills brain connections and can bring forward the onset of Alzheimer's by years. The good news? Together with Dr. Daniel Amen, we've identified a natural solution that, when consumed correctly, helps
There is no honey solution or honey recipe or honey ritual or honey habit or honey anything method having to do with honey and memory loss. This is a concept, a marketing strategy that scammers, likely in Brazil, came up with a year ago, a few months ago, whatever. They said, let's try honey, because they always have an herb, a spice, a vegetable, a fruit, something in your pantry, whatever it may be, to get you to think that that special thing combined with some other ingredients is going to help you. And they will never reveal to you what the recipe is because there is no recipe. It's an attempt to sell you a bottle of pills. So there is no honey recipe for weight loss, no matter what you saw out there. It is something that scammers designed to fool you into buying products. And in some cases, I'm not saying with this right here, in some cases, the scammers are the companies. And I would say more often than not, way more often than not.
Detoxify the brain continuously and safely. It's like giving your brain a daily bath of relief and feeling day after day your mind being truly cared for. Over 4,000 Americans have already...
That's all AI. That video is completely AI.
And the results
you can tell it's a little too shiny, smooth.
With the support of their families, are seeking a real alternative to restore mental clarity. We are thrilled with this FDA approval. For the first time, we have created a unique seal, the FDA Certificate of Efficacy, exclusive to natural supplements with clinically proven
Never happened. The FDA never approved this.
Not only safety, but also real effectiveness.
I've seen many public health initiatives throughout my life.
Deepfake.
Nothing.
He never talked about it.
Me as much as this recent discovery. We're talking about something capable of restoring dignity, memory, and life to millions of families. And this isn't just another promise. This has been clinically proven.
Also, just a message to the scammers, to quote Charles Barkley in terms of showing Bill Gates here. not a good time. So anyway, stay far away from all this. This is something that will go to a product, no matter what it's called, with like a fancy name, where the scammers just mix and match the prefix with the suffix and they choose new suffixes. So if it's something called like Memo Glory, they'll change it to Memo Brain. And then the next week they'll change it to something else, right? It's just not good. Dr. Daniel Amen never said those words. Bill Gates never said those words. Dr. Sanjay Gupta never said those words. Brianna Keeler on CNN never said those words. It's a scam. Don't fall for it. Sorry, this video went on a little bit longer than maybe it needed to, but I wanted to show you a few things, document what's going on here for people in the future in case they need to see it. And like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. That's really big. The join button is big. And thank you so much for watching.